Welcome to your Montesorri Quotes for today, Friday, 10th January 2025. Our quote for today is from Maria Montessori's 1946 London Lectures, page 132. It says, "Democracy begins at birth. The child must know what is going to happen to him, that it will not be seized suddenly, that his permission will be asked first." Again, democracy begins at birth. The child must know what is going to happen to him, that it will not be seized suddenly, that his permission will be asked first. The above quotes highlight the adult's duty toward the growing child from birth, respect for the child, and participation in the adult's life or decision making. Cursing a child isn't respect for the child. Beating sense into a child, like most barbaric adults or parents think is a way to help the child, isn't respect for the child. Forcing activity on the child isn't respect for the child, but allowing the child's freedom of choice is respect for the child. Using positive remark on the child when he does what is right is respect for the child. Allowing the child to fail sometimes in order to make him see the consequence of his decision is respect for the child. Allowing the child to learn at his own pace and in his own time is respect for the child. When adults take decisions without the child's consent, we deny him of his democratic rights as a man. Invariably, we mean it doesn't count, and that alone can kill his confidence in himself. Parents or guardians who understand the principle of respect for the child and enabling participation in the adult's life or decision making will from birth foster an enabling environment where the child's rights is respected, where he is asked for permission and is made aware of what we are planning. By doing this, we would be raising a respectful, confident, and independent adult who would color his world. Our activity for today is from the cultural learning area of Montessori, the life cycle of a cock. Yes, thanks for watching this video. Do well to like, follow and share this video. See you again tomorrow for another learning journey with Mr. John. Bye bye.